we're using a proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation pattern to work our shoulder in multiple planes of movement. So we're going to be here. You can imagine having a sword sheathed, and then you're going to take that sword out, and then you're going to point it up at the sky, let the sun catch a little glimmer, bring it back down. Again, control the movement through the whole range of motion and across the body and through that diagonal. Thanks for spending a little time with us again at Rally to Rise Physical Therapy. We hope our video helped you.
If pain or an injury is holding you back, we're here to help you get through it.
So give us a call at 208-715-8504. If you don't like calling, you can message us on our website, rallytorisept.com, or you can stop by our clinic in person. We're located in Ammon, near Walmart and Cal Ranch.
Feel better, move better, live better.